What's the difference between an inline inspection and a final inspection?
Yeah, so with an inline inspection, it's generally conducted once you have about 20% of the products produced. So the products are still on the production line and you're still going through the production process and it's not completed. Whereas the final inspection happens once the products are 100% completed and they're about 80% packaged. So with the inline inspection, you're trying to catch mistakes earlier so that you can deal with them right away. Whereas with the final inspection, it's just a final check to make sure everything was done correctly.
Hi, my name is Chris. Do you need help with quality control in Vietnam? Or perhaps you just want to talk to a person that can be trusted and unbiased? I've got 14 years of experience visiting dozens of Vietnamese factories and would be happy to help. Contact me via my website, vietnamfactorytours.com. Thanks for listening, have a wonderful day, and remember, thoughts are things, and where there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Vietnam.